Lesson 6 Vakyani, simple sentences. Gajaha chalati. Gajaha chalanti. Gajaha, an elephant. Chalati, walks. Gajaha chalanti. Gajaha, many elephants. Chalanti, walk. Let us read again. Gajaha chalati. Gajaha chalanti. Balakaha pathati. Balakaha pathanti. Balakaha, a boy. Pathati, reads. Balakaha, boys. Pathanti, read. Purushaha yachati. Purushaha yachanti. Purushaha, a man. Yachati, gives. Purushaha yachanti. Purushaha, men. Yachanti, give. Tapasaha japati. Tapasaha, an ascetic. Japati, utters. Tapasaha japati. Tapasaha, many ascetics. Japanti, utter. So let us read these sentences once again. Gajaha chalati. Gajaha chalanti. Balakaha pathati. Balakaha pathanti. Purushaha yachati. Purushaha yachanti. Tapasaha japati. Tapasaha japanti. Let us move on to the next slide. Lata pushpyati. Lataha pushpyanti. Lata, a creeper. Pushpyati, puts forth flowers. Lataha pushpyanti. Lataha, many creepers. Pushyanti, put forth flowers. Bala vadati. Balaha vadanti. Bala, a girl. Vadati, speaks. Balaha, many girls. Vadanti, speak. Lalana gachati. Lalanaha gachanti. Lalana, a lady. Gachati, goes. Lalanaha, many ladies. Gachanti, go. Prabha pathati. Prabha is a girl. Pathati, she reads. Prabhaha pathanti. Prabhaha, by name Prabha, many are here. Pathanti, they read. Let us read these sentences once again. Lata pushpyati. Lataha pushpyanti. Bala vadati. Balaha vadanti. Lalana gachati. Lalanaha gachanti. Prabha pathati. Prabhaha pathanti. One side it is ekavachanam, another side it is bahuvachanam. Let us move on to next slide. Here also our left side is ekavachanam, our right side is bahuvachanam, that is plural. Let us read. Pushpam patati. Pushpani patanti. Pushpam, a flower. Patati, falls. Pushpani, flowers. Patanti, fall. Nayanam spurati. Nayanani spuranti. Nayanam, an eye. Spurati, flutters. Nayanani, eyes. Spuranti, flutter. Mitram likhati. Mitrani likhanti. Mitram, a friend. Likhati, writes. Mitrani, many friends. Likhanti, write. Ratnam jwalati. Ratnani jwalanti. Ratnam, a gem, a precious stone. Jwalati, glitters. Ratnani, gems, precious stones. Jalanti, glitter. Let us read all these sentences once again. Pushpam patati, pushpani patanti. Nayanam spurati, nayanani spuranti. Mitram likhati, mitrani likhanti. Ratnam jalati, ratnani jalanti. Let us move on to next slide. This slide teaches you the second person sentences. Tvam pathasi, yuyam patatha. Tvam, you. Pathasi, read. It is singular. Yuyam, you all. Pathatha, read. Tvam kshipasi, you throw. Yuyam kshipatha, yuyam, you all. Kshipatha, throw. Tvam tyajasi, tvam, you. Tyajasi, give up or leave. Yuyam tyajatha, yuyam, you all. Tyajatha, give up or leave. Tvam gumphasi, tvam, you. Gumphasi, string, a garland. Yuyam gumpatha, yuyam, you all. Gumpatha, string. Let us read all these sentences once again. Tvam pathasi, yuyam patatha. Tvam kshipasi, yuyam kshipatha. Tvam tyajasi, yuyam tyajatha. Tvam gumphasi, yuyam gumpatha. Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam. This is second person. Let us move on to next slide, which is teaching first person. Aham likhami, vayam likhamaha. Aham, I, likhami, write. Vayam likhamaha, vayam, we, likhamaha, write. Aham dhavami, vayam dhavamaha. Aham, I, dhavami, run. Vayam, we, dhavamaha, run. Aham namami, vayam namamaha. Aham, I, namami, bo. Vayam namamaha, vayam, we, namamaha, bo. Aham khadami, vayam khadamaha. Aham, I, khadami, eat. Vayam, we, khadamaha, eat. Let us read all these sentences once again. Aham likhami, vayam likhamaha. Aham dhavami, vayam dhavamaha. Aham namami, vayam namamaha. Aham khadami, vayam khadamaha. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you.